We're doing the squishy versus squishy. And there's going to be one bonus. Well, actually 2 bonuses. Whoever gets the most squishies wins. But on the end, you can get a real food or a squishy. And then there's one add-on squishy. You flip the coin to see who gets it. So heads is yes and tails is no. I get it and I get tails and Mason tries. And if he gets tails, we keep on doing it until somebody gets heads.
Okay.
So we're not doing that yet because that's at the end. So let's get started.
Okay. So we're gonna flip the coin for whoever gets the first one.
Yeah, whoever gets to pick. And that's going to be this one.
But you have to put the 2 balls right here.
Y'all
Close your eyes.
are allowed to see it, but we're not. So
Okay. Ready? I picked tails.
got tails. So.
Wait, we never saw what it was. Flip it.
Heads, I get to choose first. I want this one. Okay. See what I got.
This one.
See what I got. Oh, I got a little cinnamon roll squishy.
My turn.
This is so cute.
Oh, I got a pancakes with frosting on top of it.
How do you see that? Oh, we have one eye out. Okay. So next round, put your squishies in the front, and we will show you what we got later.
Wait.
Second round. Close your eyes, and I'll put out the next 2 bowls.
Where's the coin?
I'll put out the next 2 bowls. Let me put out the
Okay.
next. You're going first.
Okay. I picked this one.
No, you gotta roll.
Oh, okay. I picked heads.
You got tails.
You get the
Hey, don't do something that's gonna scratch that table.
We're not.
coin.
We're flipping a coin.
Okay.
The video got that.
It's okay if the video heard that.
Before you say no, at least do
Okay. I got tails. Your turn.
My head.
Got tails. Oh, and you have to be blindfolded when you pick. You just can't go for one just because you want this one. You have to like actually be blindfolded. So
Okay. What'd you get?
tails.
Okay. I picked tails this time. No
Tails is the
heads.
bad one. You got tails. Oh my goodness, guys, we're still in the second round. This is like so hard. Heads. I choose this one.
I choose
There's only one left. Silly you.
this one.
Now open your blindfold. And 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, I got a little cow face.
I got a bagel.
Look at that. That is so cute. And at the end, this is the bonus. At the end, we're not going to have our blindfolds on because there's only one. So just stay tuned to watch that.
Okay.
And that's the next round.
No, the next one.
Yeah, that's the next one.
Okay. So now, guys, for the final round.
This isn't the final round.
This is the final normal round, and then we have the 2 bonus. This is the 2 bonuses.
No, we're doing this one first.
Okay.
Okay,
Ready?
so let me see.
What'd you pick?
See what I got. Tails.
Heads. I get to open it. Whoa, guys, it's a piñata.
Now let's get the last 2 out.
And after we're done talking, we will have close-ups.
Yes. So let's get these over here. And okay.
Okay.
My turn. I get to go first because you always go first. We shouldn't have had a blindfold on, should we?
So you want to pick one.
Tails.
But not when you're. That wasn't my flip, but I'll pick that as my flip.
What was it?
Heads. Okay, I pick this one.
No, I wanted that one. I want this one. Okay, let's open it.
Lemon juice. She got lemon juice. She has to at least have 1 squirt in her mouth. I'll do it.
No, I got it. I got
No,
it.
I
I
have
got
to
it.
do
I
it
got
to
it. I
you.
got it. He's gonna add
No.
so much. No, you gotta put all three. You have 3 squishies. This one goes to me because you have so much squishies. So,
Okay, you ready?
I get that one.
It's gonna be one squirt, I promise. Just lean your head back. There you go.
Now you get 1 squirt.
Well, I get one
To
squirt.
make it fair. Okay, open your mouth like this. I gave you 1 squirt. That's what you just made. So now close-ups. I'll go first.
Bye!
No!
No, Thea, it's called pausing the video and making another video with it.
Okay,
Bye, guys!